Hello students, how are you? I am Tanzia Afrin, lecturer, Finance and Banking Department, Milestone College. Today my topic is Chapter 11, Bank Deposit. That is very important chapter for you. Here we can understand how many types of account, the responsibilities of bank towards clients, responsibility towards bank, and so many types of others account, and also how to open account, how to close account, why a client choose account. Important topics of these chapters are objective and importance of bank deposit, types and process to open bank account, modern banking service. First, and the importance of bank deposit is the first topics of this chapter. Here we can categorize in three. Number one, for client, the important, the purpose of for client from bank, for bank from client, and role in microeconomy. First, for client. Here, number one, security of deposited money, business transaction, loan facility, risk, investment, availing service. There are different types of service, and meeting demand of excess fund. All these are under the foreign for client. Here the explanations are in your book, that the first and foremost duty of a bank is to ensure the security of deposited money of clients. Business transactions, clients may transact different types of business transaction from here and there, here to there, and bank always ready to help this kind of transactions. Loan facility, any kind of client, maybe it's person or organization or company, can get loan facilities, and bank is ready to provide loan. But obviously to sanction loan, bank must have to analyze these some factors or elements. Number four, risk-free investment. Bank offers interest in certain rate of deposit. So people may deposit money in any kind of account. There are different types of account, like current account, fixed account, savings account, fixed account. These different types of account is suitable for different types of people. From here, for some account, people can get interest rate. So it's a kind of risk-free return investment. It's a kind of risk-free investment. He can invest money, there is no risk, and can get some, maybe little bit return. Availing service, except bank deposit or transferring, bank offers different types of service also. That's LC, or maybe transactions, or keeping bill, provide different types of debit card, credit card, or phone banking, SMS banking. Client must have to avail all this kind of service that is very suitable or necessary for client. Meeting demand of excess fund, bank allow their clients to overdraft. It's a kind of facility that only current account holder can get some excess money from their deposit in their need anytime, without any kind of security. Bank doesn't demand any kind of security against the overdraft loan. It's a short-term loan. Then number two, responsibilities, that collecting deposit. Bank's activities is collecting deposit from the general people by providing different types of account service. Already I told you that current account, savings account, fixed account, and there are so many extra accounts like DPS, hot savings account, school savings accounts, women's savings account. All these are also the part of depositing money. Through this deposit or account, the bank can collect different types of deposit. Second, investment. Banks sometimes invest money in different way. Banks profitable investment of the money collected from their clients, that sometimes client deposit their a big amount or fund, and bank use it as a investment to another way or another portion. Foreign exchange, number third. Bank also do business of foreign exchange. The rate of foreign exchange sometimes increase or decrease, and bank use is in his own way and make a business. In national economy, forming a habit of saving, it's naturally we can think that all people make a habit of saving. Before banking, people can't used to make any kind of habit or any savings, but after banking or lubricant offer is provided by bank, that in savings account little bit interest rate is provided, and in fixed account handsome or lubricant interest rate is provided by bank to general people. So people get habit to make a savings. Creating capital. Creating capital means the ideal savings money act as a capital. Already I told the bank sometimes invest it in another side, and it act as a capital. So we can say capital formation also done by a bank. Separate savings can make capital, but separate savings togetherly can make a good capital, and that's used to industrialization, and it makes employment. It's a good side for any kind of country's economy. Investment and production, that already discussed, that investment increase, then production also increase. Investment decrease, then production decrease, and investment and production increasing is good side for any country's economy. All these are when happen together, then automatically employment also generated, because new industry, new production house, new office, and they are must required people also for employment, so it increases our employment also. International trade. Through bank, all of we are done export import. Without commercial bank and its service named LC, no one can make any international transaction or import export. All these are called international trade. So to do international trade, everyone need help of commercial bank, and document called LC, letter of credit, that's only provided by any commercial bank, and it's must need to do export import. Finally, the topic is kinds of bank account. It is very important, and maximum creative MCQ are coming for here. There are mainly three types of account. Number 1 here, A, current account, B, second, saving account, and C, third, fixed account. These three are the main account. So sometime in your MCQ come how many types of account. There is three. Except these three, there are so many others account also. These are school savings account, insurance savings account, foreign savings account, deposit, pension scheme, That's shortly called DPS. It's come sometime in MCQ or knowledge level. What is the full form of DPS? Deposit Pension Scheme. Loan deposit account, resident foreign currency deposit account, and there is a short form also, RFCD. It also come in MCQ. What is the full form of RFCD, or the foreigners, or the who situated or residents in foreign, what kind of account is suitable for them? That's answer is RFCD. It means resident foreign currency deposit account. We discuss the accounts, different types of account. Number one, current account. Current account is a type of account where anyone can draw or deposit money frequently. It means so many times, several times in a day, banking hours, he can deposit money or draw money also. No bounds or any rules, regulations to deposit or draw money. Frequently, any client can draw or deposit money. Mainly, the businessmen of our country use it. So we can say that the maximum current account holders are the businessmen, and there are no interest rate is provided here, no in any kind of. So without interest rate, only the businessman can get the facilities, transactions, securities. All these are fast transactions. Sometimes some question come from here, that to whom the current account is suitable, or for businessmen what kind of account is suitable. The answer is current account. And is here interest rate is provided? That answer is no. Then the way of depositing or drawing money, anyone can, client can draw or deposit money frequently. It is all about the current account. Here a special site is the current account holder can draw overdraft. Already it discussed a few minutes ago that bank overdraft is a loan, short-term loan, that's given by bank only to the current account holder. The current account holder can draw a little bit more money from his deposited money. It's very important. From his deposited money, he can draw a little bit more amount, and for that he have to deposit or show no kind of any kind of securities. So any kind of security is not necessary for the bank overdraft. Second, saving account. Saving account is a very popular account for maximum people. General people are mainly like savings account, because here a little bit interest rate is provided by bank to client. Here rules or regulations also, that's twice in a week he or she can draw money or frequently can deposit money. It's very important. I am telling you again, he or she can frequently deposit money but can't draw. Twice in a week he can draw his money. Here little bit interest rate is provided by bank, so it is very popular for job holder or fixed account holder, fixed income holder. Usually here we can show you that usually fixed income people who are not involved in business open such kind of account. It is suitable for them. So sometime stem come from here, then Mr. Joy is a job holder. What kind of account is suitable for him? This kind of, so you have to understand that savings account is suitable for fixed income holder or job holder. Third, fixed deposit. It's also a kind of deposit where people can deposit money but can't draw within a fixed period, and it may minimum 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, 5 years also. So can deposit money, can draw. Here no checkbook is provided to client. It's very important line. No checkbook is provided by bank to fixed deposit holder, because there is no use of check. He can't draw money by using check. A slip is provided by bank, that's called FDR. FDR means fixed deposit receipt. Through this FDR, client can draw money after the maturity period. There is a maturity period is necessary, that when he open, there must return a fixed time, and client choose the time. Actually it's 3 months or 6 months or 1 year or 4 year or 5 year, and after the maturity period, client can draw money by using the FDR. Here a lubricant handsome interest rate is provided by bank, and for this interest rate some people's deposit money here for long time. Long time is important side here. It's not short time, it's long time. And maximum, the people with a big amount, like Mr. Jahul come from USA with 80 lakh taka. Now he wants to open a bank account. What kind of account is suitable for him? So your answer will be fixed account, because he is with a great amount, and she need also a monthly income. So from fixed account, from fixed deposit, he can deposit his money and can get also a monthly interest rate. This is all about fixed deposit. And number 4 is school savings account. Number 5, insurance savings account, foreign exchange account, deposit pension. All are the, we can understand the definition by its name. That's the name is foreign exchange account. Here through this account anyone can exchange foreign currency, and especially this account is work for foreign exchange. Insurance also like this. Insurance premium is deposited here, so it's insurance savings account. Then others, hot savings account. For hot, someone can deposit money and it will make a big amount. And lastly, the resident foreign currency deposit. People who live in foreign can provide currency or money here, and this is especially for the foreign residence people. When any people wants to open account, he must consider some factors to open account: the place, location, behavior, interest rate, or is it enlisted by central bank or not. So there are some factors, some elements to consider the location to open bank account. Now all these are here, that things to consider while opening a bank account. And there are some points that's important. Is location of bank is very important. Location of bank, it's very suitable for any client that the bank is beside of our residence. There are so many banks, so many branches in our country, so must it's a security purpose. And though he carry money to bank, so the bank location must be in beside of his residence. Efficiency means employees efficiency, that every employee must be efficient or skilled, that he can help properly to client that what kind of account is suitable for him and what kind of service he can take from this bank, and different types of facilities also. There are so many points, then you have to memorize. All these are goodwill, branches, scheduled or loan facility, interest rate, service tariff, and then electronic banking. All these nowadays electronic banking is very important, because bank also in completion that how many types of electronic banking it can provide to client. And there are so many electronic banking like ATM, SMS banking, internet banking, debit card, credit card, all these. Next topic is how to open bank account. To open a bank account, there must have some formalities, rules and regulations. These are here. You have to enter a bank, then get some papers called form. And in this form you have to retain the name of the client, the source of income, nationality, then also occupation, amount of deposit, present address, permanent address, business address, and contract number, etc, etc, etc. All these are the forms. It look like this form of to open a bank account, Janata Bank's form. And then how to close bank account. 2 points are here. Through giving a request letter, you can close the account, or the checkbook, passbook, debit card, credit card must be returned. Usually there are two ways. And last and very important topics is various electronic banking products and services facilities also. And there are number 1, debit card, credit card, ATM, phone banking, SMS banking, internet banking, any branch banking, call center. Main, the debit card, credit is very important here. What is debit card and what is credit card? I am telling you what is debit card and what is credit card. Debit card, debit card, credit card, both of them are plastic card through which we can draw money, but there is a little bit difference. That is little bit look like, but it's a big difference. The debit card is your own account. You can draw money your own from your own account, and it is deduct from your total amount. This is called debit card. Through debit card, you can draw your own money. It's very important. And credit card, through credit card you can purchase or you can draw money, and that is personal loan from bank. Bank provide you a little bit facilities. It's minimum there is a limitations or days of days that you can draw money, and you have to return it within fixed time. That is called a personal loan, short term. No securities is required here. This is the main difference between the debit card and credit card. But in looking on lookless, both of them are same. Both of them are plastic money. It looks like in every angle it looks like same, but the activities or the function is different. That debit card is your own, deduct from your own account, and credit card is taking personal loan from bank, and you have to give interest rate also after the time limit. Within time limit, if you return, no interest rate is required here. This is the definition or the difference of debit card and credit card. And other facilities are ATM, that's called automated teller machine. Is full form. What is the full form of ATM? Automated teller machine. It's a machine. It looks like this. It's a machine where we can draw money by using debit card or credit card also. There must we have to put a PIN number personal identification number, PIN, personal identification number. And here is a wrong information in your book. That's 10 to 5 p.m. is actually 24-hour service. ATM is provide us 24-hour service. Anytime we can deposit money through ATM booth. Phone banking means we can take different types of service through phone. We can check our balance, we can transaction. Nowadays different types of services come. So all these are when done by a phone is called phone banking. SMS banking next SMS requesting for checkbooks or transfer or checking accounts. All these are balance. Internet banking means all these are called internet banking. When internet is used in banking sector or banking activities, this is called internet banking. So number 6, any branch banking. It means client can transaction from any bank. If he has an account in Trust Bank in Uttara, he can transaction also from Dhanmondi, from Gulshan or Banani also. This is called any branch banking. All these are the modern or electronic facilities of a bank. Nowadays very popular. Every bank is in competition that who can provide more electronic banking service to client, and client also take all these facilities here. Nowadays it's become very important in this situation, corona situation, that we can transaction, we can draw money, or we can pay bill, tuition fees through this internet banking. For today, all about this.